guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see, we are going to make this rose granny square. Okay, so it's a rose there, and I have a tutorial for this as well, but now I am going to make this in granny square. Okay, so turn one project into different project. Okay, and it's really cute. Okay, so you can change colors and stuff like that, but this one I really kind of like it. Okay, so this is very easy, guys, and let's get started. To start with, guys, I will be using my 3.5mm hook and my 8-ply crochet or acrylic yarn. Okay, so to start with, we are going to make our slip knot, and we are going to make a chain of 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we are going to slip stitch into the first chain. Okay, so just a slip stitch, and then from here, okay, chain 1, and we are going to single crochet, okay, 12 times. Okay, so oops, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, then we are going to slip stitch, okay, into the first stitch, and then from here we are going to chain 1, okay, and then we're going to make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so first 2 in the same stitch, in the next stitch 1 and 2, in the next 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so continue that, guys. Okay, putting 2 double crochet in each stitch, and I'll come back and show you what to do. Guys, so I got to my end and I just slip stitch. So from now we are going to chain 3, okay, and working 3 double crochet in the same stitch. That's 2 and 3. And chain 4. So 1 2 3 4, and then we skip 1 2 3, and in the 4th we're going to make our 4 double crochet. In the same stitch. Okay, so chain 4 and skip 1 2 3, and in the fourth 2 3, in the fourth we are going to make our 4 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, and continue that, guys. Continue doing that, and I'll come back and meet you up when I got here. Okay guys, so I just got into my end. I just slip stitch. Okay, now we are going to fasten it off, and we'll wave in this later. Okay, and then now we have, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so now we are going to change our yarn. Okay, so just make a slip knot. Okay guys, so we are just going to insert into the first on top of the first double crochet. So whenever you would like, you can start it off. Okay, so then after that we're going to chain 3, and from here what we're going to do is double crochet on top of double crochet. Okay, but we're going to work half and we're leaving it. Okay, so in yarn over, insert into the next, and then pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 and leave it. So we have 3, and then we're going to work another one. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2, and we have 4 loops in our hook, and then we're going to pull through all 4 loops. Okay, then we're going to chain 5 3 4 5, and we are going to single crochet into the chain 4 space, and we are going to chain 5 and do the one that we've done here. Okay, so in the first we're going to make a cluster 1, and the second pull through 2, and the third pull through 2, and in the fourth and pull through 2, and we have 5 loops. One, two, three, 4. Yes, 1 2 3 4, and pull through all the loops. Okay, and continue, chain 5 and single crochet, chain 5, and we are going to do the cluster again. Okay, so double crochet cluster. Okay, so 4 2 3 and 4. Okay, and pull through all 4, chain 5, single crochet, chain 5, and we are going to do the cluster again. Okay, 4 double crochet cluster, the second one pull through 2, the third one insert, pull through 2, and the last one and pull through 2. Okay, so then pull through all the loops and chain 5, then single crochet, chain 5, and we will be doing the same. Okay, so after this, okay, so continue that, guys, and after this we are going to cut it off and we are going to go change our color. Okay, guys, so we have to grab our yarn, and then I just slip knot. I make a slip knot, and then from here, okay, we are going to, what I want is these 2 flower petal, I want it together, and then this one as well, and one in both sides. So we are going to like make like this. Okay, so I'm going to start here. I'll insert my hook and pull up my yarn, then going to chain 3, and in the same space I'm going to add 2 more double crochet, okay. And then chain 1 into the next space. I'm going to add or make 3 double crochet, and chain 1, and then this space here we're going to make our corner. So we're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and the next space 3 double crochet, chain 1, and in the next space 3 double crochet, okay. So into the next space we are going to chain 1, and then into this next space I am going to make my corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet, and 3. Okay, so oops. So as you can see, we have 2 sides now. Okay, we keep going, chain 1 and 3 double crochet, chain 1, and to the next space 3 double crochet, chain 1, and into the next space we're going to make our corner by making 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet, okay. After that, chain 1, and then the next space 3 double crochet, chain 1, and we're going to wave in that later, okay. In the next space 3 double crochet, chain 1, and we are going to complete our project in this corner, okay. In this space we are going to make our last corner, okay. 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, And then what we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch into the third chain from the hook, okay, and we're going to fasten it off. Okay, so as you can see, so this is our corner, that is our granny square. Okay, so hopefully you like this, guys. It's very simple and it's very cute. Okay, and then after that you just cut it off and wave in all your tails. Okay, and there you go. So you can add more to make it bigger, okay, or you can yeah, you can leave it just like that and then create. It's up to you, so you can make your own. Okay, so it depends on the size that you wanted. Okay, so thanks very much, guys, and if you like this video, please like and share, and if you want, you can subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please don't forget to press that notification bell so you get notified every time I will post a new video. Okay, so have a great day, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.